Guys, welcome back to my channel. In case it has been a while since I've seen you guys, a lot has changed. I don't know if you guys saw my last video, but I am engaged, I am in college, and I'm living by myself, which is crazy. But I wanted to show you guys my dorm room tour because I haven't done that yet, and it's already spring semester, so it's kind of crazy. I'm so excited. Basically, this is my door. Not really fancy, not a whole lot. Just kind of leads outside to my dorm. Just get it right there. And this little poster, which I think is so cute. So up here I have some cups and my hot water. I have some snacks and a bunch of matcha. I have like mango matcha, vanilla matcha. This is lavender matcha. That's chai tea. That's strawberry matcha. And this is like my favorite Japanese tea. It tastes amazing. I love it. I highly recommend. Then down here, I have my blender. I have a couple mugs. And then that's my little honey pot, but there's no honey in it because I just don't want to add like ants or anything, so it looks really cute right now. And yeah, I just thought it was really cute, so. I also have some games here. So there's like Apples to Apples, this We're Not Really Strangers game, and I have For the Girls, but currently one of my friends is using it, so it's replaced by a blender bottle right now. Down here, I just have some cups. I have these really cute little like glasses, and they have these gold spoons. I think they're adorable. I also have these really cute little mugs. They reminded me of surfaces and I loved them, so I decided to get them. Right there I have a little glass tumbler. It has like the straw and everything, but it's upside down because I recently washed it and I want to make sure it got like air dried. So yeah, and then this is my little sick corner. So I have some liquid IV, I have some emergency, I have some Vicks. I also have some like medicine in case I get sick, because you're bound to get sick in college, and I've gotten sick twice already. Yeah, this is my little cart. I also have some little utensils and stuff. It's not very organized right now, so we won't open that, but I have some tote bags. And when you walk in, I also have a yoga mat. Yeah, I thought it was really cute. I use it. I go to the gym pretty often, and I love spin class. Go to spin class a lot. Then I also have this little whiteboard that just has a picture of me when I got engaged, and my fiance wrote a really sweet letter. We were joking around, so he purposefully spelt my name wrong and his name wrong. But I have some little snacks here too. I also have lots of gum, like a ton of gum, like it's crazy. This is my little mini fridge. Just has some little photos and stuff on there of some of my friends and I. And this is a lovely Christmas card from one of my really good, like, best friends. So yeah, and then this is just a little tag I got after starting my job. And this is all the good stuff, like all the food that whenever I feel like it, I just eat, but I don't usually eat in my dorm a whole lot. I have a meal card, so I like to use it, but I also like to eat healthier, because, you know, sometimes it can be really easy to eat unhealthy when you're in college, so I try my best to eat healthy, make smart decisions, so we're not always good with it, but we try. So yeah, I have this really good barbecue jerky. I love the Lesser Evil brand. They make these really good like puffs and they're so good, but I have to restrain myself and, you know, be smart about how often I eat them, because I could eat literally a whole bag of these. This is also my little sick corner as well. So I have my little lamp here. It's really cute. My trash. I also have some pots and pans back there. They're there. You can see them. This is my little cough drops. And then in here, I have like a thermometer. I have like a heart rate thing for my heart rate just to see, you know, if I'm alive or not. I have a bunch of Tylenol in there. I have some Midol, and then I also have some allergy medicine and some Mucinex. So after here, over here is my closet, and it's kind of messy right now, so I'm not gonna really open it. I have some clothes I need to really properly put away. So yeah, this is what my closet looks like. I just have my shoes over here on an organizer, and then here I have like hats that currently look really messy right now, but has just all my hats, and then I have some like hair stuff. So I have some hair bows and whatnot. Oh my gosh, I'm zooming it in. And then I have some earrings and jewelry. Yeah, this is my laundry deck, I would say. So it just has like all my laundry stuff, my Tide Pods, my dryer sheets, some stain remover, and then I have some like scent discs that smell really good. This is all my hair stuff as well. So headbands, claw clips, little hair bows, accessories, things like that. Here is just my like essentials. This is the bed. It's super cute, and as you can tell, there's definitely a theme. These are all of the amazing adventures I've had since college. There's a couple more I need to print, like a lot more, but this is what I have so far for right now, and it just is really special. Some of them are crooked, so ignore that, but yeah, so this is what it looks like just for right now. I have under here some organizers. This is my gym bag, but I just haven't put it away yet. And then I also have another storage little thing over here with curtains, these little pom-poms, as well as this really cute little nightstand area right here. But this is my view. So where I'm at right now, it's super pretty outside today, but this is what my outside looks like. It's really nice. I have a little picture of my dog from back home. You guys know we love our Cosmo. And yeah, this is my bed. And then I have this really cute alarm clock. It's really nice because it actually, like, when you're ready for bed, it's amazing. I love it so much. Then I have my night lamp, and I just have a bunch of stuff. So I have some books, and then this is my like my little drawer. My basket has just like my eye mask, has my heating pad, has a speaker, has some Tylenol. Down here I have lots of water and stuff down here, but I have a book about aeronautical knowledge. I have a calculus book and a how to enjoy calculus book because I take a lot of calculus for my degree, so I have to like it somehow to survive it. And then I have my Bible, of course, just because. Then I have socks on socks, and I have some Instax film right here. I don't know if you guys can tell. And then in here I have my fiance's cologne. He actually gave me a teddy bear to take to college, so whenever I miss him, I just spritz it. Because if you guys didn't know, we are long distance, so I don't get to see him all that often, but when I do, I make the most out of it. A little backpack right there, hidden behind the chair, which currently looks like a coat rack, but the chair, and then this is my little. I thought this was so cute, and I just loved how it went with everything else, so it was a must. It was a must. My little desk. This is my current bag I'm using right now just for some of my things. This is my organizer. The glorious microphone, of course. You know, it's gotta be sparkly. And then I have this little mirror that I barely ever use, but I found a use for it for making videos because it adds really good lighting. So then I have my Google Home, which currently isn't working. I don't really know what's going on with it. It was working a while ago, so I have to figure that out. I have my Stanley. These are some of my pencils and stuff. I also got a pink drink today. Met a friend, so we got a pink drink. This is my little Scentsy burner. On up, okay. This is my skincare like bin. Basically, I have a bunch of like skincare stuff. So I have like moisturizers and lotions and all kinds of really fun stuff. And then I have my Scentsy burner stuff and my wallflower stuff. Then moving over here, I have a picture of my family, my little brother, picture of my fiance and I from like a couple years ago. Our bowl, I guess, and it says love is in the air. And it just has these two people and like a bunch of hearts. I thought it was so cute. I loved it. I have these heart sunglasses that friends got me for Valentine's Day. This face mask applicator that was pink that I thought went great in this corner. And then I have this 5-minute journal. I have a Sol de Janeiro perfume, number 68, you know, matches the pink. I have a face, like a little sleeping mask, vanilla, and then literally the best products I've ever used for my lips. It's the Summer Fridays lip butter and the lip oil. Guys, it's a game changer, let me tell you. I just have this little motivational quote. It's like a book of motivational quotes, but I love this one so much. This is one of my favorites. And then this is an engagement photo of me and my fiance. So when we got engaged, we had some photos taken of us, and this is one I just absolutely adore and love to keep up. Here I have some more, just a blank whiteboard that I had some finals like inspiration up there, but now there's nothing up there. And then I have this really cute 20 things to remember today and just a bunch of little things. Just, you know, sometimes we need reminders and I love it. So yeah, so that's basically what this area looks like. Or like bins under here, I have some little Uggs, and then I have that's my like drawer for all things school, so extra books and pencils and stuff. This one is like a miscellaneous one. It also has my like voiceover stuff in there and some stationery so I can write back to my family. I like to write letters a lot. And then this is my cooking one. So yeah, that is my glorious dorm, you guys. I hope you enjoyed and I hope you love it. And it's everything you could have ever imagined for my dorm to be, because I don't know. It's pretty on brand with all the pink. I don't know, what do you guys think? You guys enjoyed, and I am so excited I finally get to show you, so I hope you all have a wonderful and amazing and beautiful day, and I can't wait to talk